Hi, my name is Harsh. I'm from Chennai, and I would like to say that if we desperately want something in our life, universe shows us the way, and we should take up that call. So this course was my call. Last few years have been very emotionally draining for me, so I needed something like that. So I came across this emotional detox course, and this is a 5-day course. By Shakti, Payal, Goda ma'am, and this course in itself is a very complete in itself, and this is divided into various sessions. The first session in itself, it makes us aware of what emotions we are going through, especially the negative emotions what we are going through, and becoming aware of that emotion in itself is a very a big achievement, or like a very big step towards the change. And the second important thing is the self acceptance, which was also taught in the course, and there was a guided meditation on self love also, which helps in accepting ourselves, means whatever we are, howsoever we are. So we don't need any external stimulation or external factor to become happy or to love ourselves. I would also like to say that magic does not happens overnight. We have to practice such activities and such meditations on daily basis, so that they become a part of our life, and we become one with them. So it's our responsibility to take the charge of our life in our hands. And I would like to thank Payal ma'am for enlightening us for such sessions. And she explained in a very simple and very understandable way, which any person can understand, and we can just whenever we are going through something, like we are feeling low, so we just become aware, oh, this emotion is going on, we are not emotion, actually we are not, we are simply beyond that. So I would like to thank Pal ma'am for giving us such enlightenments. Thank you so much, ma'am.